I suppose we'll reflect on tonight and to say, given the schedule, given how tough the tour was, to come to New Zealand and draw in the series, you've got to be pretty proud of that. I think both teams would be a little bit frustrated, thinking, a win would have been nice. But, we felt we didn't play that well. Game for defences tonight, and there were a lot of turnovers by both teams, and hadn't realised until after the game that how slippery the ball was. It was very greasy out there. But if you'd said 6 weeks ago, come to New Zealand, draw a Test series, you'd probably take that. And we've felt as a team that we've learned a heck of amount on this tour. The quality of opposition that we've played, we've been lucky we haven't picked up too many injuries, and we've felt that we've got better as a squad as the tour's gone on, and that's because we've been really tested and pushed, and we've learnt from the quality of the opposition that we've come up against, and that's put us in good stead. And particularly go through periods, the All Blacks threw everything at us in that first 20 minutes, and we hung in there, and that's kind of what good teams do. They hang in there, and we spoke at half time, so we knew we hadn't played that well in the first half, but we were still in the game at 12-6.
What was your initial thought with the offside call at the end? Did you think, I know that's a penalty?
I thought it was a penalty to us. I thought Kieran Reid's run jumped into, I don't think he's got any chance of getting his hand on that. So that was my initial thought, that he's hit the player in the air. But look, I can understand that, saying that he's competed for that, and the ball's landed in Ken Owen's arms. And in fairness to the man next to me, he's been quite smart and astute and been able to talk the referee from a penalty into an accidental offside. And so, we would have been devastated as a group if we had lost the game from that kick-off. But, I was disappointed with the scrum penalty and under the post. And it swings and roundabouts. You sometimes get calls that go for you and get calls that go against you. And I thought, the result was probably a fair reflection of where the tour is, and two quality sides who really went hard at each other tonight.